Okay, in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to create a walk-in reservations, then collect with the credit card terminal and issue a QR code room key. So first step, I'm gonna create the reservations in the PMS. It's a walk-in reservation. I'm a regular guest to this hotel. I'll pick my name, then I will choose a room and choose a rates plan. And this room gonna cost me 272 ringgit. Okay, so once I created the reservations and I switch to the FATboy, I will see that there is this reservation coming in, my reservation 101 for room 101, sorry. Now, if you notice, I haven't collected payment, right? So on FATboy, click folio payment and FATboy will show the total amount and also the balance to be collected. So I'm not gonna pay fully. This is just a demo, so I'm gonna collect 2 ringgit. So once I click 2 ringgit payment request, right, the terminal will be filled with the amount, and I can pay using, PayWave. We do it as well. Once the guest make the payment, the terminal will print out the receipt. Okay, so this is my payment receipt, and if you notice, right, on FATboy itself, the payment collected will automatically pick up and then it will calculate the balance. So say if I switch to the PMS and look at the balance, right, you will see that 2 ringgit has been collected and PMS will pick up the amount transacted at the counter, so including the credit card information. So the credit card terminal is now printing the customer copy. So now, if I switch to FATboy, you will notice that I was not given an option to issue room key. This is for security purpose because I have yet to check in the guest, hence I can't issue a room key. Now, assume that I'm gonna collect fully for the folio. Next, I'm gonna proceed with the check-in. So I check in the guest at the counter using PMS. Now, when I refresh on FATboy, you will see the options room key came out. So at the counter, only rooms or only reservation which has been checked in, they are allowed to issue room key. So this is to prevent unregistered money. And then if you have the Wi-Fi integration turned on, of course you can issue a unique guest Wi-Fi password. So click room key. So if you are using a traditional room key encoder, by that, right, it will issue a card. But for this case, I'm going to demonstrate a QR code based room key encoder. So if you notice on my right here, I get the room key in QR code, and I could click on the QR code and the payment terminal will print out the QR code for the room. So of course you can actually send this to your guests via WhatsApp, but this is just a demonstration so that we print out the QR code from the counter. And do bear in mind, we do have this integration that supports a wireless printer. So I have disconnected the cable I was charging just now so I can still print, right? So now this is basically the example of how you create a walk-in reservation, collect payment using the credit card terminal, and issue a QR code based room key. Now, thanks for watching this video.